God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the lights from above.
Hi, I'm Juana Choi. I'm the founder of Zakayla Productions Foundation, a nonprofit foundation that helps veterans improve their quality of life by giving them a home renovation. We're launching our first show, Operation Renovation. So let's take a peek. Our show is called Operation Renovation. It's a renovation show that uses eco-friendly products. Our first pilot will be a blind Army paratrooper who served in Vietnam.
Hi, Juana.
Hey, Jackie, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you again.
I'm glad you're here.
So how's Pat's eye doing?
It's still not getting any better. He went to the eye doctor last week. Same old thing.
And this is because of his
Macular degeneration.
From his stint with the Army. He's had some back injuries.
On a mission, when we jumped out, there was one gentleman. His parachute was rigged underneath the harness, and he was just caught hanging on the side of the plane. We never heard of or saw him again. Still gives me nightmares.
Okay, so what needs to be done?
Well, as you can see, cabinets.
Cabinets,
and countertop, yeah.
I see you have this open space.
They
here.
just fall apart and he's not able to fix them.
We'll probably have all of these cabinets replaced, give you new countertops, and we'll see if we could get you some new floors too.
Okay.
Oh, that would be
That'd
amazing.
be great.
Wow, so this is the bathroom, huh?
This is
the
the
mold.
bathtub.
Wow, it's all over.
The bathtub.
Pat and Jackie, they have mold problems all over the floor, the ceiling, everywhere in the house, and the walls. So we're gonna gut out the whole bathroom. We use eco-friendly materials wherever we can. They're going to help him outside with a ramp. Helping this family will reach out to help other people in the community, and that's why I'm doing this.
Bless America, my home, sweet home. God bless America, my home, sweet home.
We at Zakayla Productions Foundation would like you to be part of our effort. You could send your tax-deductible contributions to the address you see on the screen. If you are a vendor, we'd like you to become a sponsor and help us help veterans have a better way of life. Thank you.